So this is what I got so far in my game. Let me show you how it goes. Not that one. You open it up, and then you select a GPX file, and it calculates from the data in the GPX file your average mile pace, and then it uses that average mile pace to calculate your attack stat. And so any enemy who has a defense lower than your calculated attack stat, you can beat up. And if their defense is higher, then you can't beat them. So how it should be is when you are like beating a guy, his HP will go down, and if he's beating you, then your HP will go down. I'll fix that later, but for now, when I make the actual variables for these values change, it crashes the game. So for now, just to like prove that it's like detecting it right, it's just like a string on the screen. But when I was working on this all day yesterday, I was just getting really super heavy into like the trigonometry to make it do like the calculations, like the Habersign calculations, to actually like get this fucking number from the coordinates in the GPX file. It was really tough. But I got in the let me pull up the code. Where is it? So here's the problem, right? If your attack is greater than the enemy's defense, then it displays this string. If I replace this string, this drawstring, with something like E defense goes down, then when I run it, this will just be this will just be like all frozen and crashed. So what I suspect is that something about like it, like this E comes from like the for loop that it's in, and what I suspect is that that it's in like some other for loop too that I've like forgotten about somewhere, so that when I tell it to do this, it's like doing it multiple times or something. It's like calling this E too many times. That's why the drawstring works, but I actually dropping the variable doesn't work. That's what I suspect, and I'm gonna try to fix that next time I'm working on it. But But yeah. But yeah, that's what I got so far. This number up here was really like took a lot to get that, and I'm really happy with this progress. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.